Hi guys, thank you for joining me so much. Today I really wanted to start a series that I've been thinking a lot about doing. I've spoke to a lot of people about doing. I think it's really needed right now. I've always wanted to share my experience and my insight on makeup and application and how it can work for the normal person, not the woman who's amazing at makeup and knows everything and is like the YouTube sensations or the Instagram models or that kind of stuff. Just the day-to-day woman. I want to help women to feel like they can look just as beautiful and improve their skills without watching an hour-long video of somebody doing makeup in a over-the-top way or putting so many products on that they don't feel like it fits in with them. I don't think that there's a lot of videos out there for normal women who want to look glam but don't want to put all those products on or don't understand all the terminology, or where the videos are done so quickly or sometimes even done off camera and you come back and you're like, wait, when did they put their eyebrows on? Or wait, when did they do the mascara? I didn't get that part. Or they start talking about blending a warm tone shadow in the crease with a blending brush and you're like, what the heck is that? So long story short, that is what I'm trying to do. I want to break everything down and really personalize it and go over it in detail to help match it to the person that it's targeted for. And that way you can pick and choose which video you need for that day. Maybe you already know how to do your eyeshadow and you just want to know how to do foundation on dry skin that's mature, or oily skin that is young, or whatever the case may be. Or if you want to do a smoky eyeshadow because you have a date night and nobody's really showing you how to do it in the right way, then you can just pick that video out of the playlist and only watch that and get a very detailed version of it. So if that's something that you would be interested in, please subscribe to my channel and just come along for the ride. I'm going to try to get a video out once a week, and then hopefully by the end there will be something for everybody. I am a working mother, so sometimes it's hard to get all of this stuff in, so I completely understand, and hopefully you will understand as well if I'm not perfect. So here we go. I just kind of want to break down a lot of the things that I will be talking about, or the different videos and ideas that I will hopefully be getting to. So first of all, there's skincare, how to exfoliate, how to hydrate, how to prep the skin for makeup application, a morning and evening routine. And then we'll have foundation application, which different tools you can use, how to prep the skin for it, different primers to use, how to color match, and then full, medium, or light coverage. Then I would go next onto concealing or highlighting. There's two different terms of highlighting, and sometimes that can be confusing for people too that don't know exactly what you're talking about. So highlighting would be another form of concealing, the triangles that some women do under their eyes or their forehead or the middle of their face. They use concealer. And then the next would be bronzing or contouring, and then like setting the face with powder. Then the other form of highlighting, which is actually, you know, putting a shimmery color on your skin, on the high points of your face. Then the next, I would be talking about brows, the shape of them, how to size them and space them for your face, the color. Then I would probably move on to blush, the color, the placement, and eyeshadow. Eyeshadow would probably be a very in-depth video, a longer video. Also, probably a couple different videos for different ways of applying eyeshadow. Then I would talk about lashes, how to apply false lashes or use your normal lashes, and how to keep them curly if they aren't, or keep them in place, or removing waterproof mascara. Then lips, we would be doing preparation, lining, shape, color, and then the different types of lipstick finishes that there are. And then setting spray. Setting spray is basically like the hairspray for your face, for your makeup, to keep it locked in place when you've worked so hard at putting it on. You want it to stay, right? So that's a basic rundown of kind of what I want to do, and I hope that you will join me, and I hope that you're excited about this, as I am, and I'm excited to get this channel started. I have a lot of different ideas of different things that I want to do. I'm so into fashion and hair and makeup and making people feel good and teaching them new ways of doing things that make them feel good without being a struggle or way too expensive or something that they feel like they can never learn. So yeah, I guess we will just jump right into it. So I hope to see you in the classes per se. Please comment down below if you have any other ideas or things that you would like to see from me. And yeah, I hope you join me. All right, thanks guys.